Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to share a Google Sheets file and how to share it with not only people you're connected with in Gmail, but to really anyone anywhere. So we're just going to want to hit File, Share, Share with others. So this is where you can add specific people, and it will be unrestricted. So we're going to want to change that if we're going to let anyone use it. After you hit that, just hit copy link. Then we're going to want to open Microsoft Word or some kind of document editor. So when we have Word opened, we're going to type anything. We can say link to Google file here. The Google file, and then actually, yeah, so what we'll do is click here. So now we can highlight whatever we want. We'll do the click here, right click, click link. And so this is the text displaying, but so the address will be right here. So this is just the web address to our Google file sheets. And so towards the end, after this little slash, there'll be an edit with a question mark. So right before that question mark, let's delete edit because that will allow people to edit our master file, and we just want them to have their own copy to display and not mess with a master file or our file. So we're going to just put copy instead of edit. Click OK. So you could either just save it as is, or you could save it as a PDF so then people cannot edit it. So Control P into PDF. So after we saved it as a PDF, we're going to want to open that up, and this will be a clickable link. And when we click this, it will automatically take us to a Google Sheets page where it says copy document. Would you like to make a copy? So instead of changing the original file, we're just going to make our own copy. And this is one that we can just edit and save it to our drive and do whatever we want with. That's all today. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'm going to be making a bunch of tutorials. If you want to see anything specific, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to cover everything.